Welcome to Daily Current Affairs in 5 minutes by AKN Classes.
Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Current Affairs in 5 minutes. Let's begin to today's session for news from 20 November to 26 November. Didi, the Untold Mamata Banerjee is a biography of West Bengal's Chief Minister penned down by Sutapa Paul and published by Penguin India. Raqib-ul Hussain was re-elected as the president of All India Carom Federation AICF. National Stock Exchange NSE has launched an app and web-based platform NSE Go Bid for retail investors to buy government securities just like treasury bills. 49th edition of International Film Festival of India IFFI 2018 will start in Goa and held at Syama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium. Women and Child Development Ministry approved 3 fresh proposals for expenditure under Nirbhaya Fund. First is 1023 fast track special courts for pending cases of rape, sexual harassment etc. and POCSO Act protection of children from sexual offences. वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ने 3 फ्रेश प्रपोजल पास किए हैं, जिनमें पहला है कि 1023 फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट FTSC बनाए जाएंगे, जिसमें जितने सारे पेंडिंग रेप सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट के केसेस हैं उसे जल्द से जल्द सॉल्व किया जाएगा। और इसके लिए सेकंड प्रपोजल है कि इसके लिए 767.25 करोड़ की लागत लगेगी। और तीसरा प्रपोजल है कि फर्स्ट फेज में 777 FTSC मीन्स फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट बनाए जाएंगे, जो कि 9 स्टेट में होंगे, और बाकी के 246 विल बी इन द सेकंड फेज। Government has issued a clarification on maternity leave incentive benefits. 26 months of paid leave, of which salary of 7 weeks will be paid by government to employer. Means अगर कोई महिला जो प्रेग्नेंट हैं और वो लीव पर हैं तो एम्प्लॉयर जो है उन्हें 26 मंथ का पेड लीव देगा, और उन महिला को देने के लिए पेमेंट गवर्नमेंट 7 वीक्स का गवर्नमेंट पेड करेगी उस एम्प्लॉयर को, और एम्प्लॉयर को एम्प्लॉय को 26 मंथ का पेड लीव देना है। और इसके साथ एक और टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है कि सैलरी जो है 15,000 पर मंथ से कम होना चाहिए, और 10 एम्प्लॉय मीन्स मोर देन 10 एम्प्लॉयज़ उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करने चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, World Tolerance Summit was held at Dubai. Day is observed on 16 November by UNESCO. The headquarters of UNESCO is Paris, France, and the establishment year is 1946. Members country of UNESCO is 195. Jalaj Srivastava has appointed as chairman of Inland Waterways Authority of India IWAI, and the headquarters is Noida. The establishment year is 1986. Stephen Barclay has appointed as the new Brexit secretary. Asia's first woman neurosurgeon T.S. Kanak has passed away recently. Opening ceremony for the 10th Indo-Russian Joint Exercise Indra 18, scheduled from 18th November to 28th November, was held on 19th November at Babina Military Station, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. News for 21 November. Dr. Jitendra Singh released a book, Radio Commissioner in Times of Peace and War, written by Dr. Rajesh Bhatt. World Toilet Day is celebrated on 19th November every year. 2018 theme is When Nature Calls. Ayush Ministry has celebrated its first Neuropathy Day across the country on 18th November. Government will set up Animation, Gaming and Visual Effects Institute in Mumbai to encourage youth participation in film and cinematography. Civil Aviation Ministry Suresh Prabhu has launched an upgraded of Air Seva 2.0 web portal and mobile web app to make air travel convenient. Government of India and World Bank has signed a loan agreement of $310 million for Jharkhand Power System Improvement Project. The headquarters of World Bank is Washington, DC, US, and the establishment year is 1944. President is Jim Yong Kim, and the CEO is Kristalina. Alec Padmasi, also known as brand father of Indian advertising, has passed away at 19. Alexander Zverev has won the ATP World Tour final in London by beating Novak Djokovic. Ibrahim Mohammed Solih has elected as 7th President of Maldives. Maldives cabinet has approved to rejoin Commonwealth. Fifth senior official meeting of Colombo process was held in Kathmandu, Nepal. 6 minister consultants also held at Kathmandu. Minister of State for Home किरण रिजिजू, जो मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर होम गृह मंत्री जो हैं किरण रिजिजू, फ्लैग्ड ऑफ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हाफ मैराथन प्रवाह at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi. 7th International Tourism Mart to be held in Agartala, Tripura. News for 22 November. Universal Children's Day is celebrated on 20th November by UN, and the headquarters of United Nations is New York City, US, and the establishment year is 1945. And the Universal Children's Day is celebrated from 1954. India has been ranked 53rd in Global Annual Talents ranking released by IMD Business School, Switzerland. The capital of Switzerland is Bern and the currency is franc. Switzerland has topped the rank, and the last year the rank of India is 55th. Frank Bainimarama has sworn as Prime Minister of Fiji. Capital of Fiji is Suva and the currency is dollar. As per ICRA, India's GDP growth rate is expected to be 7.2% in second quarter of financial year 2018 and 19. The headquarters of ICRA is Gurugram and the establishment year is 1991. Google announced a new app, Neighborly, local questions and answer within the cities. एक गूगल ने ऐप लॉन्च किया नेबरली, जो कोरा की तरह होगा. इसमें अपने सिटी के लोकल कोई भी अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में जानते हैं तो वहाँ पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, और जिसको जानना है इस ऐप के जरिए वहाँ से आंसर पता कर सकते हैं. द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ गूगल इज कैलिफोर्निया, US. Third defense ministers dialogue between India and Singapore was held in Visakhapatnam. India has signed a $500 million deal with Russia for manufacturing 2 stealth frigates. इंडिया से गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड ने पार्टिसिपेट करा था, और रसिया से रोसोबो ओर्नो एक्सपोर्ट ऑफ रसिया ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था इस डील के तहत. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has presented the Justice Kuldeep Singh Award to former Supreme Court Judge Vikramjit Sen. Bangladesh Krida Shiksha Protsahan has won the 59th edition of the Suborto Cup International Football Tournament. बांग्लादेश के क्रीडा शिक्षा प्रोत्साहन ने 59th एडिशन ऑफ सुबर्तो कप इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट को जीता है. इंडियन जिमनास्ट हैज won the 2 bronze medals in men's and women's group event of the FIG Acrobatic Gymnastic World Cup in Baku, Azerbaijan. अजरबैजान की कैपिटल है बाकू एंड द करेंसी इज मन्नत. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Juval Oram has announced 36 a club model residential school EMRS will constructed in Meghalaya at the cost of 20 crore rupees each in a time frame of 3 years. Now news for 23rd November. Joyce Messiah has appointed as acting executive director of Union Nations Environment Program, headquarter of UNEP is Nairobi, Kenya, and the establishment year is 1972. Kim Jong-un has elected as president of Interpol, International Criminal Police Organization, and the headquarters of Interpol is Lyon, France, and the establishment year is 1923. 27th Basic Brazil, South Africa, India and China ministerial meeting on climate change was held in New Delhi. 28th will be hosted by Brazil. Defense Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has inaugurated Manipur's annual Shanghai Tourism Festival in the name of animal Sangal. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB headquartered at New Delhi has been selected among the winners of the Asia Environmental Enforcement Awards for its work in combating trans-boundary environmental crime. Union Cabinet has approved medical college at Silvassa in the Indian territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. WhatsApp has announced the appointment of Avijit Bose as its India's head. Himachal Pradesh government decided to set up a Gau Seva Ayog for preservation, protection and welfare of cows in the state. Head of Russian military intelligence agency Igor Korobov has passed away. Professor S.P. Gangli has been awarded as Mexican Order of the Aztec Eagle, highest civilian honor given to foreigner by Mexico. MHRD Prakash Javadekar has announced Institution Innovation Council IIC program in New Delhi. Maharashtra's Wasim Jafar has become the first batsman to reach 11,000 runs in Ranji Trophy. 15th Union World Conference on Lung Health will be held in Hyderabad in 2019. 49th was held in Netherlands. The target of India to remove the lung cancers and lung disease by 2030. Prime Minister will lay the foundation stones of city gas distribution in 129 districts from New Delhi. News for 24th November. India and US had joint military exercise Vajra Prahar started in Rajasthan. Noted India-born Pakistani poet and human rights activist Fahmida Riaz has passed away. Former Rajya Sabha member Vaishnav Charan Parida has passed away. Union Cabinet approved MOU between India and Mauritius on consumer protection and legal metrology. Memorandum of Understanding between India and Tajikistan on cooperation on youth matter. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe and the currency is Somoni. United Nations Security Council UNSC has unanimously agreed to lift sanctions against Eritrea after 9 years. The capital of Eritrea is Asmara and the currency is Nakfa. Noted Indian classical musician Ustad Imrat Khan has passed away. VK Dev has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Delhi. Former Indian hockey player Sandeep Michael has passed away. 19th edition of prestigious Laureus World Sports Awards will be held in Monaco. Government has decided to set up a domestic cold council in India. Second edition of India Gold and Jewelry Summit inaugurated by Suresh Prabhu in New Delhi. Geological Survey of India has found 44 new coal blocks in 4 states, namely West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar and Jharkhand of eastern India. The headquarters of GSI is Kolkata and the establishment year is 1851. Assam's Nahid Afrin has been appointed as the first youth advocate of the northeastern region by the UNICEF to fight for child rights. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, US and the establishment year is 1946. Second edition of India and UAE Strategic Conclave will be held in Abu Dhabi. Cabinet approves commemoration of the 550th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. This year was his 549th anniversary. News for 25th and 26th November. MC Mary Kom has become the first female boxer to win 6 gold medals in World Boxing Championships. Australia has won Women's World T20 2018 title for the 4th time and it was hosted by West Indies. Host country for 2020 World T20 Women's World T20 2020 will be Australia and for 2022 will be South Africa. CA Bhavani Devi has become first Indian to win gold in Senior Commonwealth Fencing Championship in Canberra, Australia. Veteran Congress leader and former Union Ministry G.K. Jafar Sharif has passed away. Uttarakhand government has decided to rename the Dehradun airport after Atal Bihari Vajpayee. First India and Russia strategic economic dialogue was held at St. Petersburg in Russia. Capital of Russia is Moscow and the currency is ruble. UNICEF has appointed Millie Bobby Brown as its youngest ever Goodwill Ambassador. The headquarters of UNICEF is New York, US and establishment year is 1946. Uttar Pradesh government has cleared a proposal to build a 221-meter tall statue of Lord Ram on the banks of Saryu River in Ayodhya. Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has unveiled a 70 feet tall statue of Lord Buddha at Rajgir in Nalanda district. This statue is the second tallest statue of Lord Buddha in the country. Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik inaugurated a Jhiri Mela at Jhiri village. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has launched a web portal Bhudar and Bhuseva for land record online. IFFI has nominated 12 movies for ICFT Gandhi Medal, in which 2 movies are from India and the remaining 10 movies are for foreigner movies. Please like and share my Facebook page Daily Current Affairs in 5 minutes and subscribe my AKN Classes channel on YouTube. Please keep watching and keep updated with current affairs. Thank you.